One single event erased 3 out of every 4 living things. The Chicxulub impact, 66 million years ago, delivered an unimaginable blow. A space rock around 10 to 15 kilometers wide, moving at 20 kilometers per second, hurtled towards Earth, a truly minuscule fraction of our planet's 13,000 kilometer diameter. It struck the Yucatán Peninsula in Mexico with the explosive energy of billions of Hiroshima atomic bombs, releasing more power than all current nuclear arsenals combined. This colossal impact instantly gouged out a crater nearly 180 kilometers across and 20 kilometers deep, instantly vaporizing bedrock and launching trillions of tons of pulverized rock and superheated dust into the upper atmosphere. Global temperatures soared momentarily at the impact site, reaching extreme tens of thousands of degrees Celsius. A monstrous seismic shockwave equivalent to an earthquake of magnitude 11 or 12 ripped through the planet's crust. Massive tsunamis with waves hundreds of meters high scoured coastlines thousands of kilometers away, reaching far inland. The immediate blast wave flattened everything within a radius of many hundreds of kilometers, creating a vast zone of absolute devastation. Global wildfires ignited by superheated debris raining down from the sky consumed vast forests, creating an apocalyptic landscape visible from space. Sunlight was completely blocked for months, perhaps even years, plunging the Earth into a prolonged impact winter. Photosynthesis halted, starving countless plants, which then caused the herbivores to die off, and then the carnivores. This catastrophic chain of events extinguished 75% of all plant and animal species, including all non-avian dinosaurs, for instance, Tyrannosaurus rex and Triceratops. Marine life suffered immense losses, particularly ammonites, mosasaurs, and plesiosaurs. The impact created a global reset button for life on Earth, leaving behind a distinct iridium layer visible in geological records worldwide. Acid rain formed from sulfur and nitrogen oxides released into the atmosphere, further poisoned oceans and land, causing widespread environmental collapse. It was a day Earth changed forever, a grim reminder of cosmic vulnerability. The planet endured a long extinction period lasting hundreds of thousands of years with very slow recovery. Surviving mammals and birds slowly began to diversify, finding new ecological niches over many millions of years. This incredible cosmic collision truly pushed life to its absolute brink, demonstrating the immense power of extraterrestrial forces and the fragile nature of planetary ecosystems. Imagine a world where the sun vanished for 2 entire years. This horrifying reality followed the Chicxulub impact 66 million years ago, unleashing a cascade of environmental devastation that reshaped our planet for millions of years. The initial blast created a vast sterile zone, hundreds of kilometers wide, where nothing could survive. The atmospheric dust and sulfur aerosols plunged Earth into an impact winter, lowering global temperatures by many degrees Celsius for a period of several years. Photosynthesis, which underpins nearly all life on Earth, ground to a halt, starving countless plants, and in turn the herbivores and then the carnivores who depended on them. 75% of all species, including all non-avian dinosaurs, like the colossal Tyrannosaurus rex and the mighty Triceratops, were wiped out forever, a staggering loss of life. Marine ecosystems suffered immensely, with 100% of ammonites and many mosasaurs and plesiosaurs vanishing from the oceans. The oceans themselves were acidified by sulfuric acid rain, taking many thousands of years for pH levels to return to a stable state, disrupting calcium carbonate shell formation for countless marine organisms. Gigantic tsunamis with waves hundreds of meters high scarred coastlines thousands of kilometers inland, leaving behind clear geological markers of their destructive power. Global wildfires ignited by superheated ejecta, raining down from the sky, consumed vast swaths of forests, releasing enormous quantities of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, exacerbating the climate chaos. The planet endured a long extinction period stretching over hundreds of thousands of years, with recovery being extremely slow and arduous. The surviving 25% of species faced a radically altered world full of new challenges and opportunities. Small mammals, which had previously lived in the shadows of the dinosaurs, began to diversify rapidly over the next 10 million years, evolving into thousands of new forms, filling the vacated ecological niches. Birds, which are the direct descendants of avian dinosaurs, also thrived and diversified over many millions of years, finding new habitats and food sources. The Deep Impact Crater itself, a massive scar nearly 180 kilometers across and 20 kilometers deep, became a unique geological feature and slowly a new habitat for certain extremophile organisms over hundreds of thousands of years. The distinctive iridium layer, found globally in geological records 66 million years old, serves as a stark reminder of this cosmic catastrophe. This single event fundamentally altered the course of evolution on Earth for hundreds of millions of years, setting the stage for the rise of new dominant life forms. The planet slowly healed, but its biological tapestry was forever changed, leaving an indelible mark on its geological and biological history. It took many millions of years for global biodiversity to approach anything resembling its pre-impact richness, a testament to the sheer scale of this ancient planetary catastrophe. The enduring legacy of this one extreme day continues to shape life on Earth, even today. A fiery mountain plunged into the ancient oceans. The Chicxulub asteroid impact, 66 million years ago, fundamentally altered our planet's destiny. This colossal space rock, roughly 10 to 15 kilometers wide, raced through the atmosphere at an incredibly fast 70,000 kilometers per hour. The sheer energy released upon impact was equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, perhaps 100 trillion tons of TNT. It struck the shallow waters near what is now the Yucatán Peninsula in Mexico with unimaginable force. The immediate result was a cataclysmic blast, excavating a massive crater, 180 kilometers across and 20 kilometers deep, instantly vaporizing bedrock and seawater. A colossal plume of superheated material shot far beyond Earth's atmosphere, reaching altitudes over 100 kilometers, re-entering as a deadly rain of incandescent ejecta. These ejecta heated the air to scorching temperatures, igniting global wildfires that consumed vast forests, releasing immense quantities of soot and carbon dioxide into the atmosphere within hours of impact. Within moments, a monstrous tsunami rose hundreds of meters high, crashing inland for thousands of kilometers, devastating coastlines across the globe. Gigantic seismic waves rippled through the Earth's crust, causing massive earthquakes with magnitudes perhaps even 10 to 11 on the Richter scale, 10,000 times stronger than any modern earthquake. The air itself became superheated, igniting vast swathes of land. This dense atmospheric shroud of dust and soot blocked out the sun's light for months, creating an impact winter where global temperatures plummeted by many degrees Celsius. Some estimates suggesting a drop of 20 degrees or more. Photosynthesis ceased, plunging food chains into chaos for 2 full years. Sulfur aerosols released from the vaporized gypsum rock mixed with atmospheric water, creating vast amounts of sulfuric acid rain. This toxic rain acidified oceans, making them inhospitable for countless marine organisms, especially those with calcium carbonate shells, persisting for many thousands of years. The first few hours were a whirlwind of fire, darkness, and destruction. 75% of all species, including every non-avian dinosaur, perished during this tumultuous period. Small mammals that survived began their slow ascent over the next 10 million years, evolving into several new forms. The Earth was scarred profoundly, a testament to one incredibly violent day. The scale of destruction was almost incomprehensible, impacting every single ecosystem, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountain ranges. Recovery would take millions of years, a testament to the immense power of this cosmic event. The lingering effects created a completely new world for the 25% of life that endured, reshaping evolution.